Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of an iPhone 13 as well with some of the accessories to protect it so that it can last a long time. So I got this as a gift and I'm quite happy. I've had the iPhone 7 for about 4 years. It did me really well and now it's time to upgrade it. So here is the nice packaging of the iPhone and we have some sealed parts and then it will just open up. So it has a nice color choice here. It's a light pink that we've gone with.
And it has a glass backing, which should be compatible with those wireless charging.
It has a nice weight to it, and as well, we're just going to...
And if you see here, it'll show you the icons here. So the buttons, so that's for volume up, volume down. This is if you want to put it on silent. The power is on this side.
And this is where you recharge it.
Yeah.
So it actually is the port that you just plug in.
Yep.
All right, so there
and
we
then, go. Okay.
It comes with a power cord so that you can recharge it. So let's open that up.
So it is a Lightning to USB-C. It does not come with a USB-C wall
The plug
charger.
portion.
So we had to buy this separately. Okay, so the screen's nice. So before we're not going to be touching the screen. We're going to actually be putting the tempered glass on to it before we get any fingerprints or anything on there.
So we're just going to set that aside. And as we mentioned, it didn't come with this part here, so we had to buy it separate. But that's the connector that would plug into the wall.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is put on we have here that we bought separately, a tempered glass. It says Super Protect. So we're going to be putting that on here. And as well, what we have here are two tempered glass to protect the lenses at the back of the phone. So, and we also have here a couple of cases.
So this one has an open front with a holder at the back. This one is just a very simple one. It doesn't hold any cards, so if you are looking for more of a wallet size holder, this is not the recommendation, but if you wanted something simple, this is a great option. And then we have one that will be a wallet with the phone holder, so it would hold the phone just off to the side there. It comes with a change purse, and then it comes with a lot of options for your cards off to the side.
Now where we got these two phone holders and the HD plus glass, tempered glass, as well as those for the lens, those were we got those off of Temu, and they were very, very affordable, not bad at all. And I'm very happy with the thickness of that tempered glass for the screen. It's quite thick. I've seen some in the past that were quite thin. So we're gonna install that now. So because this is brand new, we just have taken off the protector that it came with. So there's no fingerprints, there's no dust. So we're gonna get this tempered glass on right away. So we're just gonna peel this back here. All right, and then put this down. Once you hold that two sides, line it up. I'm going to hold mine, line it up close. Now, don't drop it yet. You're good? Okay, I'll drop mine. You hold yours. Okay, drop yours. Good. So, as you can see, it came pretty well. All the bubbles, you might just need to press it out, and it flattened and attached itself very, very well. So we didn't even need these wipes So what we're going to do now is do the same for the back. So if we flip that over for the lenses here, it has these. So you peel these off.
And they're like a cap, so they're going to go right on top of the camera lenses, and they're going to be a protector from dust, from if you drop it, from shattering. So it's a protector for the actual camera lenses.
And these are good because these lenses actually protrude quite a bit from the back of the phone, and they fit perfectly, and they're clear. So there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed this
unboxing of the iPhone 13. We're quite happy. I'm quite happy. It was a nice gift and I appreciate it. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, please subscribe to our channel. Hit that share, like, and that bell notification to see what's new on our channel. Until next time.